Welcome to another video on how much YouTubers make. Today we'll be looking into Rolling Earthship. To understand their statistics, I'll be going over their channel through Social Blade. As I am recording this video, we can see that their channel has over 1,000 video uploads, along with 21.2 thousand subscribers, giving them a total video views of over 5 million. Going down with their daily YouTube analytics summary for their activities of the past month, their daily average views would amount to 1,000 views. They also have a total of over 7.5 thousand views weekly and an accumulated video views of over 32.4 thousand for the past month. Now, with their daily average views data on hand, we'll go ahead and input this amount to Social Blade's money calculator along with YouTube's usual CPM. CPM meaning cost per thousand views, which usually ranges from less than $1 up to $10. This all depends on how well your channel is going, how many ads you have in your video, how long your audience views the ads, and whether they open the ads or not. The country from where your audience are also affects your CPM value, but in this video, we are going to use $5 CPM to match their average. Now with these values, we see that their channel earns $5.40 daily, $162 monthly, and an estimated yearly projection of $1,944. However, with all these earnings, YouTube takes about 45% of the YouTuber's total income. After taking 45%, Rolling Earthship more or less earns $3 daily, $89 monthly, and an annual earning of $1,069. With all these data that I have gathered, I sincerely hope for Rolling Earthship to foster as a YouTube content creator, and I'm genuinely praying for their continued success. Do check out their channel and subscribe if you're into their content. And don't forget to like our video as well if you loved it, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.